Welcome to how to use and customize the Canvas course template. In this portion, we will discuss how to add content to a module. It's important to remember that the pieces of the module, as laid out in the Week 1 template, are not the only options available to you. You do have the option to add any other type of content to your module. Using the plus button on the module header, I could add assignments, quizzes, files, pages, discussions, text headers, external URLs, or external tools. It's important to remember to be consistent with your naming conventions based on how you will refer to the item with students. If I were to add a new page to this module, I have two options. I can create a new page from scratch by choosing Create Page and giving it a name. This creates a placeholder. It's important to note that if you use this method, there is no content in the page. If I choose to add something I've already created, again using the plus button, if I'm still on page, I'm given a list of all of the pages available in my course. For example, if I wanted to add the University Resources page to this module, I could select it from the list and choose Add Item. That page is now added to this module. If I wanted to indent these two pages in order to help align them and make them more visibly obvious as part of the weekly review, using the three-dot kebab to the right of the item, I can choose to increase the indent. I can do that for as many items as I choose, and I can have up to 3 levels of indent. If I've decided to use this University Resources page rather than the new page I created, I can remove the page from the module. Again, using the three-dot kebab, I would select Remove, and I am given a confirmation that I want to remove this item. It's important to note that removing an item from a module does not delete it from your course. Again, like a file cabinet, removing something from the folder or the drawer just takes it out of that drawer. I still hold the item, it's still mine. Unless I go somewhere else, rolling over to the trash can to physically throw it away, I will not be rid of the item for good. The same applies here. If I were to go to my Pages menu and choose All Pages, I can see that that new page I created is still available to me. As such, I could add it back to my module by selecting the plus, selecting Page, and finding it in the list. And I can see the item is back. It is important to remember only to delete something if you are sure that you will not need it again. Remove it from the module if you don't need it there, but be careful about deleting things permanently using the index pages for assignments, quizzes, pages, discussions, etc. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.